Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to resize a page in Adobe Acrobat. So Adobe Acrobat does not include a direct tool to resize the dimensions of individual PDF pages after they have been created. However, you can change the page size by printing the PDF to a new PDF with scaling options or by using the crop pages tool to adjust the visible page area. So actually guys, first you will need to open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat. So for example here on the recent, I will open this one. Okay, so just double click it and then you will need to right click on the page, for example here, and then just go with crop page option. So this one at the top left of the pop-up menu, right? So once you click it, of course you will need to have the premium version of Adobe Acrobat, and then you will need to go with crop pages and then just choose a scaling option such as fit to fit the content to the selected paper size, or shrink oversized page to reduce large pages. Even you can go with a custom scale to specify a percentage, and then just select the desired paper size such as letter or E4 and click print, then save the new created PDF. Also guys, you can drag a rectangle around the area you want to keep and double click inside the selection and adjust the crop settings if needed, then just go with OK and save it, right? So cropping hides the content outside the crop area but does not change the actual paper dimensions. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.